Hi guys, I wanted to show you this trick I just came across and wanted to share on how to do a perfect color change. So here I'm coming to the end of the row, and I'm going to go ahead and go into my last stitch and make my double crochet, pull up my loop a little bit, go in the front 2 loops of that, grab my new color, pull that in. I always make an alternate chain 2, which is a single crochet and 2 chains. Turn my work. See how you have that little loop there? Go ahead and pull on that tail to tighten it. This is going to line up with your side in your first stitch, and then go ahead and keep stitching to the end of your row. Now this works with single crochet and half double crochet, treble crochet in the middle of your row, as well as on your ends, which is what I'm showing you here. All right, real quickly, I want to show you there's one difference when you make the half double crochet. You're just going to go ahead and make your half double crochet, pull up that loop, grab your new one. You'll be going through all 3 of the front loops as opposed to 2. Pull in your new yarn, and then I always do a single and a chain 1 for my half double crochets. Turn your work, pull down on that 1 loop, tighten it, and that's your first stitch right there. And then go ahead and continue with your half double crochets. And for this I did 6 half double crochets for this swatch. And just remember to always tighten your yarn. To sew in your ends, you just want to turn your work. Let's do this one. Tighten your ends so you can have a straight side. Thread your needle and just sew them in as you would. Just be sure to tighten them beforehand. And I like to go in a couple stitches one way, pick up a loop, and then go back the other way. There you have it.